To get started, grab the comic you wish to frame. For the more collectible and high value comics, feel free to frame these with the protective sleeve on. While today's comic books are normally 6 5/8 of an inch wide by 10 3/16 inches high, these dimensions are not always standardized, so measure just in case. Because each volume can vary, we recommend using our metal frames when it comes to framing comics. Here at Frame It Easy, our metal frames have room for artwork up to 1/4 of an inch thick. This includes matting, so if your frame has a single mat, don't exceed 3/16 of an inch thick. And if it's double matted, don't exceed 1/8 of an inch thick. Keep this in mind when you're looking at your volumes to frame. Once your order has arrived, make sure you grab your flathead screwdriver in order to remove the railing. This will allow you to smoothly insert your art. Once you've placed your art and reassembled your frame, go ahead and grab your hanging hardware kit, which should be included with your frame. Here at Frame It Easy, we include all hanging hardware necessary to hang your frame. We mainly include a hanging wire, brackets, and a hook and nail. Lastly, to protect your wall, place the provided buffers on the back 4 corners of your frame, and you're done. Hang or display your new frame wherever you choose. We personally love these displayed in home offices and entertainment spaces as they make great conversation pieces.